Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today I'll be showing you something that is very amazing and something that is very important. I'll be showing you how you can stop your phone, your smartphone, your Android smartphone from being slow. Okay, a lot of people complain that my phone is slow, I can't do this, I can't do that. Let me show you what to do. All you just need to do is simply pick up your smartphone, that very smartphone that is slow. Go to your settings, click on the settings. If you click on the settings, you go to your phone. Okay, if you go to your phone, you see a lot of things like this. All right, then the next thing that you just need to do is go to your build number. Okay, all right, this is my build number right here. So on this build number, what you just need to do, click 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, then it will show you to input your password. Please do. Okay, he said now you are now a developer. Okay, you are now a developer, right? So having shown you that you are now a developer, all you just need to do is go back, come to this place, come to this search button and search for developer option, developer option. Okay, search for developer options. You see it has pop up. Okay, so the next thing that you need to do, click on that developer options. If you click on that developer options, because it will show you, it will bring you to this place. Okay, then you scroll down until you see animations. Keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Okay, keep scrolling and you see window animation skills. You see it's 1x. Click on it, take it to 5x. Okay, click on transition animation skills, take it to 5. Click on animation duration, take it to 5. Okay, do all these and see how your phone move faster. Okay, and see how your phone move faster. Okay, so thank you so much for being with me, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Before I go, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do, and if you have not liked my video, please do, and as well share it with friends so that you help to elevate my channel from this very level to another. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. If you do have any question as well, please drop it at the comment section and I will get to you ASAP. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.